Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, I will go to complementary solution. So I will put about y equal to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first derivative in here, we will have lambda e to the power of lambda s. We do first the derivative of this one, so we keep e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda s. You got about lambda in here. Now we can do about second derivative. We got about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And the next one, that's about third derivative. You got about lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so this equation equals to number 0. So we put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization in here. So we have lambda to the power of 3 minus 6 lambda square plus a lambda equals to number 0. So we can do about this one in here. So we can find the solution of this one. So we have lambda equal to number 0, lambda equal to number 4, and lambda equal to number 2. So about yc in here, we have c number 1, e to the power of 4s. C number 2, that's about e to the power of 2s. And c number 3, that's about e to the power of 0s. About this one, you got about 1, so we just write about c number 3. Now we go to particular solution. So I will put about yb. If we look carefully about this one on the right, we have 12e to the power of s. So y particular, I will put about a e to the power of s. So if I do first, second, and the third, they will have same about a e to the power of s. Because first derivative of e to the power of s, you will have only e to the power of s. And now we need to put this one go in here. So we will have a e to the power of s minus 6a e to the power of s plus 8a e to the power of s equal number 12 e to the power of s. We sum everything in here, and we have 3a e to the power of s equal to 12 e to the power of s. So 3a should be equal to number 12. So we divide both sides by number 3, and we got about number 4. So yb in here, That's about 4e to the power of s. About the general solution, we have yc plus yb. Yc we just calculate in here. That's it about this one. And yp, that's about 4e to the power of s. Now, we need to find about particular solution in here. So we have the condition. So if s equal to number 0, we put in here. We will have about first equation. That's about C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus 4 equal to number 30. Now if we do first derivative of y in here, we will have about 4c1 plus 2c2 plus 4 equals to number 20, because we put number 0 going here, here, and here. That's why after we do first derivative, we have 4c1 to c2. This one you got about 1. This one you got about 1. This one you got about 1. Now if we do second derivative, we have 16 c1 plus 4 c2, and we have number 4 in here equal to number 20. And now we need to find the solution of c1, c2, c3. We calculate about this one, and we got about c1 equals to, so c1 we have negative number 2, c2 we have number 12, and c3 you got about 16. And now we put the value in here. So C1 we have negative number 2. C2 we have number 12. C3 we have 16. And we have 4e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.